Here's how to diamond lace shoes. Start by taking your lace, and what we're going to do is feed each lace end up through the two very bottom eyelets on our shoe from underneath. So just peel back the canvas, pull that through a little bit, swap to the other one, and bring that one up through the canvas as well. And before you pull all of this excess through, a little trick you can do is take a hold of your two lace ends, grab your shoe, and just pull that lace through. And what that will mean is your laces will come out of equal length on either side. If there are any little twists, just take a second to make sure it's all neat. And if your laces aren't equal, pause the video and just make sure they are before carrying on. Then we're going to take a hold of this lace. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring it down into the third eyelet up from the bottom on this side from above. So take that lace end into it from above. Just like that. And keep a hold of it. And then we're going to bring it up through this empty eyelet here from underneath, if that makes sense, just like that. So you should be left with something that looks like this. You can tighten that up a little bit if you want to. And then we're going to repeat that on the other side. Smooth out your lace, take it over and down into the third eyelet up from the bottom. On this side, bring it down into there. Make sure it's looking nice. Keep a hold of it, and we're going to fill in that empty eyelet from underneath, just like this. Now, if you want to play this video on a half speed, you're welcome to, or you can pause as much as you need to. Just go at your own pace with this, there's no rush. Great, now we're going to carry on by keeping a hold of this lace, and we're going to repeat that pattern. Skip an eyelet on this side, and instead bring the lace end down into the eyelet above that from above, like this. And then fill in this empty one from underneath with the lace. Make sure to pull that so it all looks nice and crisp. Then take a hold of your other lace, and we're going to do the exact same on the other side. Take it over, skip an eyelet, bring it down into the one above, like this. Keep a hold of the lace and fill in the empty eyelet from underneath, like this. Looking good. Then we're going to finish off the pattern by keeping a hold of this lace, taking it over and down into this final empty eyelet on this side. And the same with the other one. Take it over and down into the final eyelet on this side. And then with your excess lace ends, you can tie those in kind of a loose little bow here, just to keep them together. And then go ahead and tuck that bow underneath the shoe tongue out of the way so the pattern looks nice and fresh, and you should be able to slip your feet in and out by adjusting that bow how you like. Repeat on the other shoe and you'll have an awesome pair of diamond lace shoes. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to inspire you guys. Thank you very much.